Hello, this video regards grounding, otherwise known as earthing. Grounding refers to the discovery that bodily contact with the Earth's natural electric charge stabilizes the physiology at the deepest levels, reduces inflammation, pain, and stress, improves blood flow, energy, and sleep, and generates greater well-being. When you want to practice grounding, you should do it every day, even in the winter. If you need to, you can do it indoors. Grounding can take place directly on the earth with your bare feet, or on grass, natural stone, sand, even marble flooring. So the more that you can walk around barefoot and give yourself a chance to really ground your body to the earth, do so. This will help you to live a much more grounded life in health and vitality. Earthing or grounding connects people to the earth's natural healing energy. It reduces inflammation, pain, and stress, improves blood flow, sleep, and vitality. Earthing is a simple, profound lifestyle addition requiring no effort or dieting. Earthing or grounding is a grossly overlooked factor in health and healing. Earthing or grounding should be recommended by health professionals to patients. Practice grounding daily. See the difference that it makes when you connect to the earth and really pay attention to it. The earth provides us with the nutrition we need to live a very abundant, natural life. So enjoy the new practice of grounding and be sure to do it as many times as possible, daily in fact. We hope you enjoyed this video.